Hey there, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about the month of August. The month of August is the slowest news month. If you want to get on local television or in your local media, I strongly recommend pitching stories in August. And obviously you're going to be doing that now in July. But find your local media contacts, find the producers of the shows, the morning shows, if you have afternoon shows. I'm in the DC area, so we're very government focused. It's, you've really got to know your show too. So watch your shows, read your regional magazines, read your local papers, see where a story idea could fit and that, is related to something that's coming up. But August is the time to pitch. Definitely. I really think that was how I got on my local television morning show was in August. And I prepared and did really well, and I'm invited back all the time, and it's really awesome, and I love it. But I really think it was because I pitched in August. Well, I pitched prior to, but I got my yes in August. So think about that. Think of what you can pitch the media and take advantage of the slow news time to get your foot in the door and get on television or get in your local papers. So that is your tip for today. And if you want more, please join the challenge at yourprchallenge.com, and it's 10 minutes a day for 10 days and you will get massive visibility, and I can't wait to see you there. See ya.